Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete products from basket in Sephora. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Sephora account, which of course I have done right here. Now, Sephora is a French multinational retailer of personal care and beauty products with nearly 340 brands, along with its own private label, Sephora Collection, and includes beauty products such as cosmetics, skincare, fragrance, nail color, beauty tools, body lotions, and hair care. So now that we know a bit of what Sephora is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to delete products from baskets in Sephora. Now, I'd like you to know that the basket is also known as the cart. So let's say, for example, while ordering a product, you found the product and you just moved it to cart, but you did not place an order for that product, and you just want to delete the product from your cart, which is otherwise known as your basket. Here's exactly what you can do. So from here, from your home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find this basket button. So go ahead and click on your basket button. That's the basket icon. So it's going to take you here where you're going to find your basket. So if you want to delete this product from this basket, head over here to where you have this product, it says loved and it says remove. So scroll the way down to loved and remove. So go ahead and click on remove to remove this from this basket. So now it says your basket is currently empty. It means I have nothing for checkout in my basket. So you can repeat the same process for every other product in your basket and you'll be good to go. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.